Director, yung NTC nire-require na lahat ng SIM card nakarehistro na. Meron pa rin fake news. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, yung hiding in the cloak of anonymity ng mga nagpo-post ng mga fake news, totoo bang anonymous sila o may kakayahan kayong makalawit ang mga ito?
Well, actually, hello. Actually, marami na po kaming na-take down na mga fake accounts. We just not reporting it. But we're doing it on a day-to-day basis. We have coordination already with Meta and they're very supportive. And from the time na dumating po ako sa bureau, I think we already take down about mga more than 2,000 accounts na po na wala talagang identity, personality. And some of them are now facing charges and some of them are under investigation. Ano po. So, tama-tama nandito si Kong Sia. We are probably proposing a bill na gawing batas yung tungkol po doon sa pag-monitor dito kasi wala tayong specific na batas. We're always hearing yung troll farms. May troll farms. Pero wala kaming legal basis or legal cover to go after troll farms. So dapat it somehow should be also be regulated. Ang mga nahuhuli namin in relation to cybercrime law of 2012, yung halimbawa mga financial scam, lab scam, mga ganyan, those are mga POGO operators before na nag-collapse into different scam hubs. No? Yun naman sa troll, ito yung tinatawag natin inauthenticate coordinate behavior na parang feeling nila, papalabas sila ng may isang source sila, palalabas sila parang totoo yun, then makikita mo mag-spread na totoo sa social media, marami na mag-pick up, hanggang umabot na rin sa organic, sa mga totoong account, yun ay nagiging problema. And we are addressing it. We are in the process of procuring tools to combat this para po malabanan natin itong ganitong sistema.
Yung pong AI ginagamit na, may nakikita ko, akala ko ikaw talaga Yung pala AI lamang. Paano ito? Paano ito makukorek?
That's the one that part of our proposal to Congress that should be regulated. Kasi it somehow violate also your privacy from my point of view. Maganda man o pangit yung portrayal sa AI na ginagawa. I've seen that also, nakikita ko yan. Pero somehow, you have your own privacy na dapat should be protected. So, we will have dialogues with our legislative body para po paano natin ito ma-address. Ano po?
Dito.